Right, I'm back again, and I managed to figure out that the keys have to be, the wheels have to be lined up more or less on 8s, and then this enables the key with the teeth on to be removed. And then now, once that's removed, you can get the wheels off. That's the theory, anyway. Yeah. You just have to bend the top bar up slightly, and then the wheels will come off. So yeah, on the inboard side of the wheel, of the wheels, there is a well, there was there we go. It's a little on the inside, on the inboard side of the last wheel, the one that goes in that position there. There's a little shaped washer with a little lug on it, so it bends over slightly in that direction, so that will go on that way round before the first wheel goes on, and there's a slot in that washer that will allow the key to pass. So imagine the wheels are on here, the key goes down there through that washer, and then it rides up against a spring inside here. So there we go. I'll take that off and give it all a bit of a clean, give the wheels a clean, the shaft and the levers, and next thing I'll be doing is well, after giving that part of the carriage a little bit of a clean with cotton buds, I will come back and put it back together.